Rash, welcome back to another beginner Irish mini lesson. And this week we're going to look at how to say I have a little Irish. So last week we did how to say I am learning Irish, which is another really handy one when you are learning the language. So you can always check back there. I'll link a little card above here if you'd like to check out that video too. So how to say I have a little bit of Irish in Irish. I have a little Irish is tá beagán Gaeilge agam. Tá beagán Gaeilge agam. Tá beagán Gaeilge agam. And you can type this into opera.ie to hear it in different dialects. For example, in Connacht, which is the dialect I speak, they pronounce agam like So it's just tá beagán Gaeilge am. Tá beagán Gaeilge am. A little bit of a breakdown here. So something agam in Irish means I have something. So you can substitute beagán Gaeilge with anything that you own or have. Like you can say tá cór agam, I have a car. Tá teach agam, I have a house. Tá inin agam, I have a daughter. So this is from our preposition egg, and agam is the me person. So I have, a guth you have, a get he has, she has is a kit. A gwyn we have, a gwyv you plural have, and a cu is they have. So tá beagán Gaeilge eke, she has a bit of Irish. Tá beagán Gaeilge a gwyn, we have a bit of Irish. So a really handy phrase in general in Irish because, as I said, you can substitute this with anything and be able to say that you have something in Irish. That's it for this video. That's it for this week. If you are not subscribed to our newsletter, you can do so down below and get free Gaeilge every week. And also our beginner waitlist is down below as well, because if you would like to learn the Irish language and you are a complete beginner, then we're going to be starting that really soon. So be our list session, be on that list. Agus feicime an teach hugan hu. I'll see you next week. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.